yes, the first thing that you do is that you go to ChatGPT on your phone. Make sure that you have ChatGPT on your phone. If you don't have, go and download it on your Play Store. So after you download ChatGPT on your phone, you click on it, and you ask ChatGPT that to create a prompt for you. I have created a prompt already that I want to use. So this is it. Yeah, this is what I told him. I told ChatGPT that you do. I told him that it should create a Nigerian Afrobeat music prompt, so I can use it to generate a song on Suno AI, Suno app, and this is what ChatGPT gave me. You have seen here. So what I'll do now is that I'll copy this prompt that I give to me. This lyrics, them the lyrics, this lyrics that I give to me. I'll copy it. You click on it, select text. After that, then you copy it from the beginning of the verse 1 to the last lyrics. Then after you copy it, then you head on to your Chrome, Google Chrome, and you head on to Google Chrome. You search for Suno. This is Suno, Suno AI. Just search for Suno AI music. Suno AI music. Then you launch it. Click on search bar. Make sure that your phone is on the desktop site. Make sure you change your phone to desktop site. If you don't know how to change your phone to desktop site, this is how to change your phone to desktop site. You click here on these 3 dots in your menu bar. Then you go. Yeah, my phone is already on the desktop site. But if not on desktop site, make sure you put it on desktop site. Then when you get here, make sure that you click on create, not search, not home. Can you see the menu here? Home. Sorry. Can you see the menu here? We have home. What is this? Home, create, library, search, radio. So you do this thing very well. You make it go so that you can click on it very well. Then you click on create. Sorry. Then you click on create. You click on create. Here, see now it's on create. Then you head on to this. Can you see? I click on create. Then you click on these lyrics. You paste the song that you have copied from ChatGPT. You paste it here. Yeah. Then style. They will ask you for style. Which style of music you want to generate? Is it folk taste? Is it trap? Don't forget that the one that we generate is on Afrobeat. Sorry. Forget that it's on Afrobeat. Yeah, this Afrobeat. You click on Afrobeat. Yeah, Afrobeat. Then it will ask for the title of the song. Add a song title. The title of the song is done for me. It's ChatGPT that will tell you that done for me. Then after that, then you click on, you go down, you go to your side bottom here. Then you click on create at the bottom of your phone. Then you click on create. So now the music will generate it. You create here. These are many songs that I've created. I've created with this app. So you wait for it to load. You see now, it has created already. So you click on it. You play it. So that means you have created your music. Let me just play it for you.
Shine my life up. Every day they give me vibe. No matter the hustle, we go survive. Together we there, we go there alright. Oh yeah, dance for me. Shake your body, make we feel the energy. No worry, no stress, just melody. Life now, so we go live on my belly. Oh yeah, dance for me. Shake your body, make we feel the energy. No worry, no stress, just melody. Life now, so we go live on my belly. From Lagos down to Abuja, everybody know they feel the ginger. Carry your smile, no need danger. We go rise up higher and higher. Oh yeah, dance for me. Shake your body.